Hello friends, it's Christy Marcotte. Yay for Happy Mail. My Love From Lizi April 2019 card kit is here and it is so much fun. I think everyone is really going to enjoy this one. So let me show you everything that is included. So I'll go ahead and start with the large bag. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. So there's a cream, a teal, there's the white, which is the Copic friendly white. There's this really pale green, and then a really nice light orange. Looks a little brighter in the video, but it is a lighter color. And then there are 2 full sheets of the specialty cardstock this month. There's the silver and the gold, and these are the satin mirror. And I know that color looks a little off. That's just my lights that are reflecting so bad on it. And then there are 3 full sheets. These are 12 by 12 sheets of cut aparts and images. So the first sheet has 2 by 2 sizes. This one is a 4 by 4, and then these are 3 by 4. So lots of fun, different designs and journaling cards. And then if you want, you can use the other side since they're all double-sided. So this has just a really nice light design with just some adventure and travel words, and then I love the polka dot paper. And then there's also a full 12 by 12 sheet with stickers. So there's some sentiment and images on here, even kind of some borders. So this coordinates really nicely with the kit. And then this month, the pattern paper is actually 6 by 8 in size. So these are all double-sided and coordinate with everything else in the kit, just like Lizi always does so well to just match everything together. And I love how there's a busier design on one side and then more of a tone-on-tone style on the other. So there are a total of 12 sheets of the pattern paper. And this will be the first time I've ever used the 6 by 8 size before. 6 by 6 paper has always been my favorite, so this will be really fun because you'll get that extra 2 inches on the end. So I'm looking forward to using these. I really love this hot air balloon paper. That'll be a fun one to use. And then some of these sheets have like really large images. I think they would be fun to do like a fussy cut to add to a card. And then the last 2 have some more of the 3 by 4 cut aparts. So again, double-sided, so you can always use the opposite side instead. So next up is this really unique stamp set. I just love this. So it has this island out in the ocean, or actually a couple different islands, and then you can add the little mountain. There's a little church that you can put on your island, and then just some fun travel sentiment, and they all fit inside the large island. And then the beautiful peel-offs. These are the mint green, and it's the iridescent glitter. Aren't those beautiful? And I know my lights just reflect on those horribly. So that is everything included in the large bag. So now moving on to the embellishment bag. There are 4 tags included, 2 in white and then 2 in the craft color, and just one of the craft colors is just a little bit smaller. And then this month there are a nice assortment of dies included, and they're all travel theme. So there's this car with a little motorcycle. I love this sailboat with the little hearts. Isn't that fun? And then there's an airplane, and then last a cloud. And they all have this really fun kind of a swirly detail on them. So you'll get 5 dies this time. And then there are 2 little key metal embellishments. So those are in a nice gold or kind of more of a brass color. And then there are 6 little mini clothespins. So these are fun and they actually work. So I've never added these to a card before, but I have seen them on other cards. So there's a lot of really fun ideas with those. So next are these little wood veneer kind of adventure and travel pieces. So you'll get a total of 9. I love the variety. And my absolute favorite one is this little camera. I already have an idea of what I'm going to do with that one. And these are perfect to add paint or ink. You could do some glitter, all kinds of things you could add to those little wood veneer pieces. So then there is a little bag of brads. These are a really nice soft color, and they are the larger size. So I always love adding brads to my cards. So those coordinate beautifully with the paper collection. And then every month you'll get a little sample bag of the sequin mix. This one has some browns and coppers, just kind of light ivories in it. It's very pretty. And then this month's Nouveau drops are the crystal drops. This is the bottle green. So instead of ribbon this month, there are 7 different colors of twine. So there are different thicknesses on some of them. One of them has a really lovely gold foil look to it, and then one has some silver, but all of them are just beautiful, kind of more browns and grays, and they coordinate just perfectly with all of the pattern paper. So that is everything included in the embellishment bag. So now moving on to some of the add-on items that I just had to pick up. So first is this fun journaling card pack. So this coordinates with all of the pattern paper. There are 4 different sizes. So this is the 4x6 size, and they're all double-sided. And then there's a 4x4 size, a 3x4, and then also a 2x2. So if you're wanting just a few more designs or patterns to go with the kit, this is a great addition. Plus it works perfectly if you do the pocket scrapbooking. So I love these little 2x2. So very similar to the full sheets, except these are already all cut out and ready to go for you. And then next is the Bon Voyage Peel Off collection. So there's 4 colors already put together that'll coordinate with the whole kit. And then I am just completely addicted to all of the specialty papers. So first is the specialty paper bundle. So there are 6 different sheets, and just look at the detail on all of those, just really pretty. And then next is more of a textured cardstock bundle. So they kind of have more of a pearlescent color to most of the sheets. And this one also includes 6 sheets. So very nice variety of styles. Trying to show you without too much glare from my overhead lights. And this was a new one. It's really smooth, but it has sort of like an embedded glitter look to it. Really pretty. And I think my absolute favorite is always the pearlescent paper. But then again, I love the satin papers as well. So, like I said, I'm addicted to the specialty cardstock. They're just so beautiful. So this bundle includes 7 different colors, and they are all a pearlescent paper. Beautiful colors. And then the last bundle is the glitter cardstock. So this is always some really nice cardstock if you want to add that really pretty sparkle. It's no shed, so this doesn't come off very easily at all. So this one includes 5 different sheets. So aren't those just beautiful? So next is one of the paper packs. This is the With Love paper pack. So it just includes paper. There are 16 sheets of 8x8 papers. And so some of them have specialty effects to them, like there's pearlescent paper. Some of them have like a spot gloss design on them. There's 1 sheet of cut-aparts that have some nice tags and sentiments on them. This one has sort of a spot gloss. So it's really hard to see in the video. So half of them are sort of a specialty, and then the other half are all double-sided papers. But I love the bright colors. There's the pinks and greens, and then like a dark sort of a navy blue. It kind of looks black in this video, but it's more of a navy blue. So very cheerful collection. So I think these papers would be perfect for birthday or thank you, or maybe even some Mother's Day cards. Really pretty collection. So next up, more embossing powders. Lizi just knows how to keep us going with embossing powders. So the first one is a Sunburst Orange. Next is a Silver Glitz. Look at all of that beautiful glitter look in there. This color looks really fun. It's Oh Holographic. Can't wait to try that one out. And then there is a Copper Rose. And then another one of the party colors. This one is Lemon Zest. Atlantis Green. And it has like some little gold pieces in there along with that green. And then another one for the glitz. This is the Copper Glitz. Really pretty. And then Very Vanilla. And then last one more glitz. This is the Golden Glitz. So these are just beautiful. And then a super fun new item. Lizi now has a storage container for your peel-offs. So let me just put some of mine from my stash here just to show you how it works, and they fit perfectly. There's a little bit of room on the end so you can get them out easily. But they also work for the embossing powders. So isn't this fun? You can store all of your Love From Lizi embossing powders in these little cases. Love this idea. So now on to my final add-on item. You guys know I can't resist any of Love From Lizi's mega packs. So this is the I Do mega pack. There are 4 sheets of the specialty paper. 3 of them are pearlescent, and then 1 is a satin mirror. It's a silver satin mirror. And then, like all of the mega packs, there's a ton of paper. So there are 32 sheets of 8x8 paper. So even though this kit is wedding themed, almost all of the paper could work for any occasion. They're very light in color, so it's kind of hard to see with my lights reflecting on so many of these, because they have the specialty, there's pearlescent, there's spot gloss, and then half of them are all double-sided. So I'm just doing a real quick flip through so you can get an idea of the colors. Very soft colors. There's some light pinks, there's browns, there's grays, kind of gold colors in here. And there's only one specific design that has wedding, and that's this one right here. It has a bunch of different wedding words on it, but everything else would work for any other occasion. Now the dies are definitely a little more specific for wedding. There are 8 steel dies, although there's a couple that would work for other occasions. So there's congratulations in here, there's the little bells, there's one with wedding day, the little double hearts, and then the rings, and then anniversary, and then there's evening invitation, and then wedding invitation. So really pretty mega pack. So here's just a quick recap again of the April 2019 Love From Lizi card kit. These card kits sell out really quickly, so if you are interested, I suggest not waiting and going and purchasing those. I have links in the description for all of the items, including all of the add-on items that I picked up. And then, as always, the best way to guarantee receiving a kit is to subscribe to the monthly kits. So I do have links in the description for that as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.